Follow the steps shown on the screen to create a copy of a column or several columns and insert them anywhere in the spreadsheet. I will follow these steps to make a copy of the column highlighted in yellow and insert it to the left of the column highlighted in green. First, I select column A. Second, I press the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Copy. As you can see, the column gets highlighted with a dashed line. Third, I select the column D because I want to insert the copied column to the left of the column highlighted in green. Finally, I click the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Insert Copied Cells. As a result, we get a copy of the yellow column inserted to the left of the column green.